How to remove Reels from your Saved section on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to delete saved Reels from your collection. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Saved to access your saved items. At this point, tap on Reels or All to filter and view saved Reels. In the next step, find the reel you want to remove from your saved collection. Following this, tap on the three dots icon on that reel. Once done, select Unsaved from the menu options that appear. From here, the reel will be immediately removed from your saved section. At this stage, you can repeat this process for other reels you want to remove. After this, all unwanted reels will be deleted from your saved collection. And that's it. If this saved Reels removal guide helped you organize your Facebook saves, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.